we have for sale on eBay today is a very nice HOBART 5701 bone and meat bandsaw. They call these tear down saws because they're very easily to tear down to basically the frame and the motor to clean. So they're very easy to work on and clean. It's in great condition, excellent condition as you can see. It was in decent condition when we got it, and then we completely went through it with our cleaning crew, took it apart, steamed it, sanitized it, cleaned it, and then completely did a refurb with our tech. He went through it and refurbed the machine completely. So it's been dismantled and put back together. Any of the parts that needed replaced, we replaced it and refurbished and cleaned. So it's ready to go. It's in excellent condition. This is a one-owner saw. It came from a large chain grocery store. They were the original owners. They bought it new, so it's coming from them to you, which is always a great thing, like most of our equipment. And it also has a new blade. It is 3-phase 208 volt. So we have it plugged into our 3-phase converter back there. You're going to hear that humming in a minute. We're going to turn that on. Then I'm going to turn the saw on and show you how smoothly it runs, and we'll take the camera closer, go around the saw up close, and show you the great condition. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our 3-phase converter, as I said. You hear that hum? And we'll go ahead and turn it on. See the blade running? Very smooth. We'll take the camera off the tripod here and get a little closer. There's your new blade running. Very quiet motor. We'll go ahead and shut it off. There's your new blade. We put a blade on all saws we redo. Let me go ahead and shut the converter off, so you can hear me. And we'll go around the machine. As I said, it's in excellent condition, as you can see. And we completely went through it again and refurbished this saw. Replaced any parts that need replaced. It's been completely cleaned and sanitized. You can see up under there how clean it is. We check out all the electronics. Make sure the motor's good. Test it. You can see even in here. And up under the frame, it's in great condition. Now we'll go ahead and take off the cases here in a minute and show you inside where the pulleys and the cleanouts are. You can see up in here it's been well gone through. Put new cords on. Our tech even goes through and takes the main support pole off here, goes through, cleans out, refurbishes the inside. So this machine has been completely gone through. Let's take our off. Here's your top pulley. blade. Go ahead and pull the bottom off, show you. There's your bottom pulley with the clean outs. They're all in great shape, and we replace them if we need to. This has been serviced. There's your slide arm. Very nice saw. Again, this is a one-owner saw. It came from a large chain grocery store. They were the original owners. It's coming from them to you. Beautiful. Hobart 5701 meat and bone teardown bandsaw. As always, we offer free palletizing, crating, and shipping to the buyer within the continental U.S. And if there are any questions, my name is Kevin. My number is 724-516-1142.